Is your iPhone not ringing when someone calls even though the volume is up? There are a few common causes and here's how to fix them. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone incoming calls not ringing. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, we will need to reset your mobile signal, and the best and easiest way to do so is by turning on and off the airplane mode. This happens when sometimes you get into a low signal zone and your mobile signal gets disconnected but not automatically reconnected upon getting out of the poor signal zone. To do this, swipe down from the top of your phone to access the control center. Then, tap on the airplane icon on the top left and it will turn orange. Wait for about 5 seconds, then tap on it again to enable the mobile signal. Next, make sure your mobile data is turned on. To do this, tap on Settings, tap on Mobile Service. Make sure your mobile data is toggled on here. Another point to note here is sometimes your incoming calls are not coming in when you're traveling overseas. So make sure the mobile data options here is set to roaming on. Make sure data roaming is toggled on here. But do take note, because some of your mobile telcos charge very high rates when you use their roaming services. Make sure you turn it on only if you know you intend to use your carrier's auto roam services. So now that we have ascertained that it is not the mobile carrier that is causing your incoming calls not ringing, let's move to your iPhone settings. The first way is to check if you have Do Not Disturb on. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone and tap on the icon here. You can see a list of options, and if your phone has enabled Do Not Disturb or Silence, or any other options that may potentially mute the incoming calls, make sure to turn them off. The other possible culprit is that your iPhone's Bluetooth settings has connected your iPhone to another sound device, maybe a pair of Bluetooth speakers somewhere in the office or home, or maybe to your car's audio system or to your AirPods. To check this, tap on Settings, Bluetooth, and go through the list of Bluetooth devices to make sure none of them are connected to your iPhone. Next, make sure you do not have silent mode turned on. Tilt to the left of your iPhone to make sure the switch is not on for silent mode. If silent mode is on, you will see a red stripe indicating that. Simply flip the switch and you will see ringer on your home screen. Lastly, if all else fails, do a hard restart of your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the power button until the screen goes black, and wait for the Apple logo to come back on. Then test again for incoming calls. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.